Hello. This is the pool room. This is where I used to film. It is. But I must get this sorted out. I'd really like to play pool again. Anyway, right now, I am working on an original 8K Commodore PET. And it's almost perfect. But I know there are things in this room that will assist in this endeavor. So, thankfully, and people wondering how to turn the lights on, I have had X10 modules in here for a long time, so I didn't have to reach around and turn things on. So even though I haven't been in here, if I set the house code properly, I can light it up, as I have done. Alright, I'm going in. Hello. I'm going deep. To get to the other side, there are some things. I might have to move. For example, there is a case for a 64 that might have been in a classroom. Here, here's a 64. Yeah, and there's a 64 in there. That will pretty much get me in. Although I'm going to be very careful of anything else that I should find that I might knock over. That's better. My. It's been a while since I have been in here. Not as long as look. I think I mentioned a time or two that I was on a show called Copper, and they went to great lengths to recreate posters from 1864 and 1865, such as for the Lincoln inaugural address. Anyway, after the show shut down, I got some of these treasures, and I really should get on to maybe, there we go, selling some of them. Oh, look. There's a scary dude. I think I've also mentioned that on occasion I have sat for art students, and they have drawn me. Yes, it has been a while since I have been here. It will take a little dissecting to get to where I need to be here. Vic-20 cartridges, of stuff here. Oh, behind me, there's some other drawings. This is my favorite. I don't know, maybe you can't see this. This is my most favorite rendition of me, done by an artist who regularly drives a taxi. At least that's the last I heard. It is. Alright, I need to move more things very gently. Do no harm. More cartridges. Oh, here. I think I might have showed this at some point. This is the pet service reference guide. An original binder with lots of stuff, including cassettes, which I should bring out of here, as I now have a pet to test. So, don't fall. Some of you may remember I was working on a pet some while ago and ran into trouble, to which I am still not sure what happened. This might have been a couple of years ago or more. And I really never kind of went back to it. I was just so almost stunned how it had been working and then it wasn't. But I was doing a video at the time. So I'm hopeful that now, after calm reflection, and perhaps a couple of years, that I might go back and look at the video and see what it is that I might have done. Right, I'm just getting things moved away a little. We're trying to. What do I have here? Oh. Look. I was afraid there was a disk drive in there, which wouldn't have been a bad thing. But obviously, this is not the case. So put that over there. Yes. This is going to take more than one trip, I think. Anyway, right in front of me are a bunch of RAM chips from a pet. An old original pet. Yes, indeedy. And what are these? These look like Amiga chips. They do. And then I think there's some other original pet chips there too. I think. But I guess well, I'm interested in getting some things out of here. But I don't think I can do it as I would like to at this moment. So what I'm going to do is very carefully and thoughtfully gather up the RAM chips. And I should probably be happy with that. Probably. But, yeah, you know what? Yes. I think I'm going to grab this binder for the pet. And very carefully make my way out of here. Oh my. It's funny, there are things in here, of course, that you can't see that I can. And one of them is the pile of disk drives. It's over there. Over there. And there's a lot of them, of course, a lot of others that aren't in the pile because the pile got too high. Alright, I'm coming out. Trying very hard to not create an avalanche. Ugh. I think I made it. Oh my. Yeah. Still, many memories in this room. And many parts. Many, 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 many parts. I'm just looking around because you can't see everything here. Alright. Time to head back to the original 8K PET with a data set and a chiclet keyboard. Thank you for coming. Soon, maybe I'll film from here again. Maybe. Right now, back to the PET. Bye for now.